Sweet potato chips with simple salsa recipe. Ingredients you need: 4 medium-sized sweet potatoes, scrubbed, 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, 2 tomatoes finely chopped, 1 small red onion or 4 spring onions finely chopped, 1/4 of a cucumber finely chopped, 4 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 pinch of ground black pepper. We're going to start off by doing the chips. So all I've done is I've got 4 sweet potatoes, I've given them a good scrubbing, and we're going to cut them. Really, you want to cut them into wedges. If you wanted to cut them into chip shapes, then that would be fine. It doesn't really matter, but we're going to go for wedges today. So using the grip for cutting them, as shown before, cutting down to the centre, turn it round, do it from the other side, and while you've got them all together, you can use the other potato wedges to keep them in place as you're cutting it. Once you've done that, get a bowl. What we need now is pepper and oil. What you can do, they often suggest that you spread it onto the potatoes once they're on the baking tray. I find it's easier to coat them by putting the oil into there, about, well, let's see, tablespoonful. You can also put ground chilies in and things like ground garlic in, sorry, and things like that to flavour it, and then just simply put the potatoes in. And finding the fork that you put down somewhere, just keep stirring it, and as you keep moving them around, it picks up the peppers as well, the pepper, and it's ready. So, baking tray, potatoes, spread them out, try not to get them stood on top of each other because then they won't get, the heat won't get to them as well. And then we've got the oven, it's heated up to 180 degrees, and we're just going to put these in the oven. And we leave them there for about 35 minutes. You can use normal potatoes. You just adjust the cooking time. You can also say you don't have to put them into wedges. You can cut them into chips. You can do them into little blocks or whatever. The secret is to get the oil onto them so that they don't stick on the pan, which we'll see about when we bring them out. We'll stir them about halfway through, just turn them over to make sure they're cooked on both sides, and then that'll be it. And in the meantime, we'll get on with the salsa. 2 chopped tomatoes, 4 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1/4 to 1/2 of a chopped cucumber, and some very white red onion. We haven't got any more red onion, so, and besides that I prefer white onion myself anyway, but you can use red onion, white onion, or you can use spring onions just chopped up. Put it in there. It's a matter of what you've got in the cupboard or in the fridge really, and just, without putting too much onto the table, I'll use a fork because it might be easier, and just mix it all in. So these 30 minutes, 35 minutes, and they're done. It's just a matter of picking them up, putting them on a warm plate so that it doesn't cool down too quickly. Sweet potato chips are softer in nature than normal chips, so don't be worried if some of them break up. That's not the point, that's what they do. But there again, there you are, they're done. Give it a couple of minutes to cool down and then we'll have a go at tucking in.